Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Valentine's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw some Valentine's olives. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our little olives, we need to draw two nice big ovals. And the first thing I have to do is get Miami out of the way. Thank you, Miami. And we're just going to make our two ovals right here in the middle of our paper. Now, to start off with this, we're just going to make one oval over here, and it's going to be kind of angled. I'm going to begin by just making a nice round oval shape right here. And then I'm going to make another little oval shape over here, kind of hidden behind this other one. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make another little oval shape that just kind of curls around. And it's going to come right here, just hidden behind this other one just a little bit. Now, starting right up here, we're going to add a little skinny oval shape like this. And I'm also going to do the same thing on this side. We're just going to make a nice little skinny oval shape. Right across the top, we're going to add a little curved line, kind of right through the middle of our little oval, just to kind of show that it's a little bit 3D. Now we want to give our olives some faces. I'm going to start by making a circle shape right here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle shape over here. And then right in the middle, I'm going to add a little smiley face. And I'm also going to add two little circles in here. And then we're just going to color the rest of this in. I'm also going to add a couple little curved lines on the end of the eyes here for some eyelashes. Now over here, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to add a little circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm actually going to start over here behind this a little bit, and I'm going to make a little circle right here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add two little circles, and then we'll color in the rest of this for the eye. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes across, and a little line that curls up and down, then a small little line across for the tongue, and I'm going to color in the rest of this here. Then up here, we want to add a couple little hearts. So to do this, we're just going to draw a little line that's going to curl up and down, and another one that just goes up and down right here. Then I'm also going to put another one up here. We'll do one, just do the same thing, curl up and down. Repeat it on this side. And then just to make it look a little bit more even, we're just going to add a little small heart up here. Sometimes odd numbers work best. But there you go. There is your drawing of two little Valentine's olives. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.